Hey Kayla, this is Jessica from Peterson SEO. Thank you so much for speaking with me this morning and requesting this video. So I'm just going to show you a few things going on with your website to help you get more of those organic leads instead of having to pay for lead services. Okay, so here we are on your website, and you have a nice looking website. You have a little bit of content, but unfortunately, it's not enough content. So, the rule of thumb is your website should have a minimum of 1,500 words or 150 words for every keyword you're trying to target. Um, and so you need to be targeting those buyer intent, location based keywords. So when a customer does a search, they may not know the name of your company, but they know the specific service that they're looking for, and those are the terms they're going to use. And you need to have a location behind that so that you're showing up in those areas. Um, so if you have multiple services, you should have multiple service pages. And if you service multiple locations, every single location that has any search volume should have its own page so that you can rank for those keywords in those locations and be the first person that they call. So, despite how nice your website does look, Google unfortunately does not rank you based on appearance. They use robots called crawlers that go through the internet and index each of your pages, looking for your content and your keywords so that they can rank you and get you in front of your customers. So, your content and keyword strategy is going to be really critical here. When we take a look at your top competitor in your area, we find the content specialists. Um, they have a nice looking website as well. They've got some content. They don't have a whole lot of content, however, but they do have different pages for every single location and every single service. And so they're able to be found in their different service areas and for those different services. So it's going to be really important that you do the same thing and then that you have more content than your top competitors. So this is a program we use called Ahrefs, and it helps us to see how your website is performing. And as you can see, you have a rating of a 0 out of 100 in Google's trust flow, and that is because of your backlinks. You only have 13 of them, and not all backlinks are created equal. So you need to have better quality backlinks, more authoritative, and you need a lot more of them. And because you don't have a whole lot of content, you're only being indexed for 2 keywords, which is why you're getting 0 traffic to your website on average every single month. But when we look at your competition, they only have a rating of a 10 um, because they have 101 backlinks, which says that these backlinks may not be real strong backlinks because not all backlinks are created equal. They are being indexed for 64 keywords, and they're getting about 202 people to their website on average every month. So now, to explain a backlink, what a backlink actually is, it's when one website links to your website but drives traffic to your website. Google likes this because it's like a popularity contest. So the more relevant and authoritative those backlinks are, the more related it is to your business, the more power it's going to push to you and to help you rank. But it's very important excuse me, it is very important that those links are do follows and not no follows. No follows don't give a whole lot of help, but a do follow will actually share the power of those high ranking websites with you and help rank you faster. And they're closely tied to your keywords. So your content, keywords, and backlinks work together and are very, very important. And the last thing I wanted to show you is when somebody puts a search in Google, one of the first things that'll pop up generally are ads. And then it's this map section or Google My Business. So it's very important to have a Google My Business page that is in the top 3. This is a very competitive spot, and there's a lot of factors that go into it. But one of the biggest ones is citations, which is the name of your business, your address, phone number, and website, and having those listed in a variety of places like Yelp, Facebook, LinkedIn, Yellow Pages, etc. And you need to have a lot more than your top competitors. So now, if you follow these tips I've given you today, you can become number 1 across Google for each of your service areas and services. And I know you're probably wondering, well, what do I do now? Well, you can either take this information I've given you and apply it yourself, and that's completely okay because this is free education. I just ask that you please give me some feedback and let me know what you thought of this video. However, if you do decide you would like help getting some of this stuff done, go ahead and reply to my email or give me a call at this number on your screen and we can chat. Thank you so much for watching, and I look forward to hearing from you soon.